right.
So, Kamal, how's your week so far?
Don't ask. It's been a rough week on me. I've been trying to help one of my clients rent a unit in downtown Toronto, and what a nightmare it is. I can't find anything. I find something, it gets leased. It gets leased in the next 5 minutes of it coming on the market. And yeah, so that's my week. You tell me how your week is.
It's been a crazy rental market for sure. Yeah, my week has been okay. We had one of these high-end listings that we've been working with for quite some time. I just took it off the market.
Yeah.
Basically suspended it for now. We are almost into July at the moment, and summertime is here. And we decided, by discussing with our clients, is that maybe for the rest of the summer, let's just take it off the market. We're going to continue to market it privately. We're going to keep it exclusive, but we're not going to keep it on MLS. We're not going to get it out publicly over the next couple of months because there are a couple of reasons that we are looking at it.
And that's been.
One being the fact that the area that we are in at the moment for that particular listing, majority of the people end up going to their cottages or traveling. After 2 years of being in that pandemic environment, we are seeing that the entire pocket is very much empty at the moment.
Yeah, that's true. People have been kept in their houses for so long now that it's high time that everybody goes away somewhere.
Yeah, and this is one of the questions that gets asked to us all the time as well, especially for some of these high-end listings, is that whether summer is the right time to actually list or keep some of these homes in the market. And we believe that keeping these homes off the market during the summer times is not actually a bad idea. And at the same time, look what's happening out from a news standpoint.
Yeah, this shifting market. What do you think? Like, how is
Shifting
it?
market.
Is it really affecting? How is it affecting this price point?
I think it's affecting more on the psychological level as opposed to an actuality. The reason being is that we are hearing these news all the time in terms of where the market is headed. Nobody knows. Nobody has the sort of the silver bullet to figure out in terms of where we're going to be in the next 12 months.
Yeah.
So when you look at it from that perspective, all we can gauge is the fact that, hey, you know what? This particular market, especially when you're talking about homes which are 5 million plus, for instance, not many homeowners are dependent on mortgages and interest rates and things like that. But at the end of the day, they are looking at the economy in its totality, and they're trying to figure out in terms of where some of their investments are headed. But having said that,
But I have a question. So
Yeah.
how about so 5 million plus? I would assume that many people are watching the stock market,
yeah,
and that's a factor.
absolutely. Again, I mean, I think the equity markets are down. Look at how much money people have made in the crypto market as well, and look what has happened over the last number of months as well. So I think everybody's a little bit cautious in terms of whether this is the right time. But again, based on our experience, when you talk about that kind of a market, that kind of a luxury segment, majority of the buyers or majority of the consumers are pretty well cushioned
Okay.
based on our experience. But at the end of the day, what we're talking about is the seasonality of this. And I think summertime, it's okay. Just take a bit of a breather, go enjoy, spend some time in your cottages,
Yeah.
travel a little bit as well. And again,
Enjoy all the events.
there are lots of private sales still happening. And for example, this particular property that we've been working with, I think we're going to keep it private for the next couple of months as well, and we're going to bring it back to the
No,
market.
I find
when
that
fall
even
comes.
sellers are comfortable, right?
Yeah.
In this price range, usually they're not pushed and they don't have to sell. That's another factor as well.
Yeah. I mean, again, motivation is everything as
Yes.
well at the end of the day. But again, having said that, in this kind of market, you still want to make sure that you hit the point
Yeah.
when it comes to the price, when it comes to pricing your home, right? So
Okay.
that aspect, it's a different topic for a different day, in terms of how you price your home and
Yeah,
all
let's
that.
talk about it one day.
But for now, what we're talking about is that market segment. It's okay to give it a bit of a breather during the summer times.
All right. That's
That's
great.
it.
Okay, guys.